Hello beautiful people, welcome back to Best of the Best channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you the best way to make the most delicious homemade caramel sauce. No thermometer needed, no whipping cream needed. I'm sure you're gonna love it guys. If you try it, you will definitely love it. Let's see how to make this recipe. Let's get started. Let me know your feedbacks in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video and hit the notification bell. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.